With Flash becoming obsolete by 2020, have you decided on your next step? You can give those courses a fresh lease of life by converting them to HTML5 and continue to let them deliver value. We offer you 4 strategies for Flash to HTML5 conversion. Record. If you have straightforward courses with important content, we can record them to a self-running MP4 format. Republish. You can republish courses developed in older versions of authoring tools with both Flash and HTML5 output to a newer version of the same tool so that courses are compatible with multiple devices and browsers. Rebuild. If you have legacy courses that use Flash-based assets, we can rebuild them using latest authoring tools. Redesign. Finally, we can redesign courses that need improvement in the instructional approach by quickly enhancing your existing interactivities or breaking down longer courses into micro-learning modules. So make sure that none of your good Flash-based courses are retired, even if Flash is. CommLab India is a trusted rapid e-learning solutions partner for many global organizations. Get in touch with us to help you in this huge initiative and execute the conversion project flawlessly and rapidly.